thunderstorm was located near
This is
Antioch,
from my
or 11
camera,
miles southeast of Nashville,
and I
moving
forgot
south
to
at 20
hit the
miles per
record
hour.
button.
Hazard, 60
I'm
miles
counting
per
this.
hour wind gusts.
I'm
Source,
counting this because
radar
I'm
indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Murfreesboro, Franklin, Smyrna, Brentwood, La Verne, Nolensville, Antioch, Rural Hill, and Percy Priest Lake. This includes the following highways: Interstate 40 between mile markers 215 and 219. Interstate 24 between mile markers 55 and 74. Interstate 840 between mile markers 53 and 54. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Make sure to hit record this time.
Service in Nashville, Tennessee, southeastern Wilson County in Middle Tennessee, northeastern
Can you even
County
see
in Middle
that?
Tennessee, until 3:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:10 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 10 miles southeast of Watertown, or 10 miles northwest of Smithville, moving south at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Smithville, Alexandria, Downtown, Liberty, and Auburntown. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Partly sunny, 86. Again, conditions at Nashville.
See? Yeah. I have the volume turned down.
The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Overton County in Middle Tennessee, northwestern Cumberland County in Middle Tennessee, southeastern Putnam County in Middle Tennessee, southwestern Fentress County in Middle Tennessee, until 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 13 miles southwest of Jamestown, moving south at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Crossville, Fairfield Glade, Monterey, Crab Orchard, Grimsley, Slate Springs, Clark Range, and Crawford. This includes Interstate 40 between mile markers 304 and 328. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.